Ven a cocinar algo espectacular en la cocina de Pilar.
Hello guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to Pilar's Kitchen. Today I want to show you another delicious and easy recipe, meatballs. The ingredients are as follows. We're going to use 2.5 pounds of ground beef or ground meat of your preference. It could be pork, turkey, chicken even. 2.5 cups of tomato puree. We'll use 6 hard-boiled eggs also. 2 spoonfuls of chicken bouillon. And here I mix a teaspoon of oregano with a teaspoon of cumin. And of course, salt and pepper to taste. Let's begin. For our ground meat, we are going to add 1 whole raw egg, the oregano and cumin, and salt and pepper to taste, just like so. Okay, let's add the salt. Let's start mixing. Let's make the sauce. We already have some oil in the pot. Let's add the tomato puree. Here we'll add some water for your desired thickness. I just did 1/2 cup of water. The chicken bouillon. Okay, so here I didn't list the chipotle in the ingredients because it is optional. It's very spicy. So be very careful on how much you put on it if you decide to go this route. Let's put it on simmer, and we will let it simmer for 7 to 10 minutes. The hard-boiled egg, we are going to chop it into little pieces. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna start making our meatballs, and we will add the egg and then make it disappear. Just like that. And that's how we are going to make them all. I always make way more eggs than it takes to fill up the meatballs because I like to add them to the sauce. I much rather the chopped eggs than vegetables. Now for a quick tip. Do you notice the meatballs with the toothpick? I do this because one of my granddaughters doesn't like them stuffed with egg. So this way it's very easy to spot them. Now, if you wanted to stuff them with something else, it's up to you. Now let's just let them sit for 10 minutes and we will be done. The end is here and it is time to try them. As always, the best part. Okay, let's see. Okay, perfectly cooked. I accompanied them with rice because I love that mix. Delicious and quite easy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you all, and leave me more tips if you want some specific recipes. Thank you.